Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to watching my videos. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Another video to expose myself, another video to expose my past. Today, I'm going to expose about abortion. I once shared a video before, but then today I'm doing it again, but in a deeper way, or in another way. So 2012 ngagwinywa yinyoka. 2012 ngenze abortion. So the reason why ngithi inyoka is because of umyeni wami uthema kangibuza when we met ukuthi is there anything that I had done in the past, is there anything that I would like to share with him. The moment engibuza into efikile emqondweni wami was the promise that I made to myself, and the promise that I made to myself was I said lokho engikwenzile this year 2012 I'm not gonna tell anyone. Ngizofa nayo le ngeke ngitshele umuntu. So by the time engibuza I remembered my promise, so I kept the promise to myself. Kanti little did I know ukuthi i-abortion yinyoka. So yangigwinya ke 2012 i-abortion, yangigwinya ke 2012 inyoka. So the reason why I'm calling it a snake is because it's a mase ngitshela umyeni wami, but at a later stage ukuthi no, 2012 I had an abortion. Ngimtshela nakhona ngo-2020, which is 8 years sengayenza, and which is 6 years in our marriage. So the reason ngithi i-abortion yinyoka is because 2020 between 2020 or 2021, that's when umyeni wami was busy with something, maybe ngithi nje a project, it didn't go well. So when it didn't go well, I'm the one who told him, no, I think it didn't go well because khona ngakwenza and angikutshelanga, and what munguza I didn't I didn't want to share with you because it was a promise that I made to myself. Ukuthi I'm promising myself I will keep it as a secret. I'm not gonna tell anyone. So saying it angisho because ngiyacabanga ukuthi lokho engakwenza it affects also izinto ozenza or ofuna ukuthi sizenze. So 6 years in marriage with that secret, and then into edala ukuthi ke ngithi i-abortion yinyoka is because ngithe mase ngimtshelile ke ukuthi ngenzani 2012, on that very same day at night I had a dream and I was inside a snake, a huge snake, and the eyes of a snake, it wasn't the eyes lawa mehlo waziyo wenyoka, it was the eyes of a crocodile, but in a snake or on a snake. Yeah. So ngithe, and then since I was dreaming inside the snake, engazithi ibi all these years ibivale amehlo until the day I revealed ukuthi ngenzani yavula amehlo. The reason why ngithi all these years bivala amehlo is because I never had a dream, such a dream, dreaming inside a snake. Hence ngithi abortion yinyoka. Mina 2012 ngagwinywa inyoka. So since I was describing amehlo wayo was the size of amehlo we crocodile. Avuleka amehlo, and mayivuleka amehlo, the eyes had a language to me, and Gitti was sending, not a language, Gitti was sending a message, had a message. Yeah, actually the eyes of a crocodile had a message that is sent to me. So loyo mlayezo wawuthi to me ngoba uyavula amehlo nje, to me loyo mlayezo wawuthi ngiyakubona ukuthi wenzani, engazithi ingasho ukuthi uyaphapha and I'm gonna come after you. To me, that's how I could explain amehlo lawa ya ukuthi asho lokho ukuthi ngiyakubona ukuthi wenzani, uyaphapha and I'll come after you. Yeah, that's why ngisho githi abortion yinyoka. So all these years bengigwinywe inyoka, ngingazi ukuthi ngigwinywe inyoka, and only manje futhi nakhona 2025 I discover this ukuthi abortion yinyoka through kuyi-expose kwami ukuthi mangizi-expose. The more I expose myself, the more futhi kuba khona izinto eziba revealed ukuthi how every time a snake has a message ukuthi why the snake, inyoka isho ukuthini. Every time inyoka vele isho into embi, isho nje into embi. So thank you very much for watching ama videos wami. Kodwa ke into engisala nayo engumbuzo ukuthi, am I still inside the snake now, or I am out of the snake? That's what the question that I have to myself, ukuthi ngisase ngaphakathi kwenyoka na, noma sengiphumile ngoba sengikuvezile, sengikudakululile ukuthi ngenzani 2012. Yeah, thank you for watching my videos. I'll bring more. Thank you. Ngiyabonga kakhulu isupport yenu ukuthi ngibuka ama videos wami.